Okay, so I said we're going to run through this quickly. You're going to be an expert in a couple minutes here. So I told you pugs, right? So you pick a niche. So pets is the niche. Then we're going to narrow it down to dogs. And then from dogs, we're going to narrow it down to pugs, okay? And then we searched up here, pug funny videos, okay? And volume 1300. So they get 1300 views a month. And this is keywords everywhere. You can download that. That's a free app, okay? So a free extension, I think it's an extension. All right, so you get 1300 views a month on these videos. All right, so first thing to do is we're going to come up here to filters. We're going to go over to Creative Commons because then they'll have no copyrights, okay? These are Creative Commons videos, meaning you can reuse them and cut them down. So this is a 10-minute video, adorable pug compilation, cute dogs. Now you're going to download this. We're going to click on it. Okay. So now you come over here, you copy it. See this copy button? You're going to click that. It's going to copy it to your clipboard. Then you're going to search. You're going to go to Google. You're going to search MP4 converter to YouTube. Okay. This was the first one that came up. YouTube to MP4. YouTube to MP4 converter. First one that came up. Okay. We're going to just paste that in there. Okay, so you put it in, you put your link in here that you copied from the YouTube video, and you press start, and you drop this down here, and you download it to your computer, okay? Then you're going to go to Canva. All right, once you're at Canva, you're going to come down here to the middle, you're going to hit video, then you're going to come over here to mobile video. Okay, so you're going to go to uploads over here. You're going to upload videos. You're going to go to your device. This is all simple stuff, right? Okay, so you download it or upload it to Canva. Now you're gonna put it over here and you're gonna chop it up. First thing you're gonna do, you wanna open it up so that you can get, and don't worry about it not being taking up the whole space, because we're gonna do calls to action. You're gonna do call to action. If you're selling t-shirts, which I'm gonna show you how to do in a little bit, you're gonna put down here in text, you know, buy the cute shirt below, okay? Or if you're doing affiliate links, you know, click the link below for your merchandise or whatever it is that you're selling, whatever your niche is. Remember, this is just a niche I'm showing you, okay? Then you come up here, we're gonna crop this, we're gonna cut it down to a minute, right? So we grab it over here, we bring it all the way down until it's under a minute. And actually, you want it probably under 30 seconds, okay? And then you would, done, you would add text, find something that's good. Okay, there's your short. Then you go to YouTube and you upload it to your YouTube channel, and then you're going to optimize it. Now that's a whole nother thing, optimize. Check out some of my other videos on optimization, but you're going to get a keyword, a keyword phrase for your title. You're going to have a description of, you know, 150 words or so, 300 words with keywords in it in your niche, telling, you know, word for word paragraph, you know, speaking in the English language that makes sense, put the keywords in there, don't keyword stuff. Then you have a tag section in the video when you upload your videos to YouTube, and you put some tags in there related to your niche. And there's tools. If you want to watch some of my other videos, I go over tools and other things that you could use to get tags and to do things like that. Okay, so then now that's what you got there. Okay, now we're going on to the next step. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make some money. Ready? So here we are in Teespring. Teespring is a place where you're going to set up a store. They're going to set you up a store. They're going to set up a marketplace. They're going to set up all kinds of stuff for you, and you're going to design your t-shirts here. You're going to sell t-shirts, and you're going to make some money. You're going to put the t-shirts in your YouTube videos. You're going to put the links in the video descriptions, and people go nuts for t-shirts in these niches. Okay, so you're going to come up and start designing. We're gonna pick the men's t-shirts. Okay, I'm gonna come right down here. All right, so you can get as creative as you want. I'm gonna go through this quickly, right? So we're gonna add an image. If you need ideas for shirts, you can go to AliExpress and search pug dog shirts. Okay, next. Show you what's being sold even, so you can see how many, what's being sold and how many. And if you want to see a design that you like and you can do something similar, don't copy it perfectly. Or you can go on to Google and search Google, and you can search pug shirts and see what's selling and see what's popular. Okay, so no excuse for not being able to be creative, so you can find some shirts. Okay, so we go back over here, you download some images, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to add an image. Okay, click on it, make it bigger. Then we can add some text. And you can play around and get as creative as you want. So now we've got a nice, well, it could be whatever. So you have a nice shirt. You're going to put the link. You're going to download the link for the shirt. All right. Now let's see over here what we got down here. How much can you make? It tells you right here. So if you charge them $26.99 for the shirt, now these are high quality shirts. Okay. You're going to make $10 per shirt. So you're going to make $10 per shirt. So let's go back to YouTube. All right. And we search the Pugs channel. Now 1.4 million views. Okay, this one has 24 million views. So you can see 1 million views, 24 million views. This one's got 12 million views, 2.8 million views. Okay, so Pug videos are getting a lot of views. Let's do conservative numbers. There's 1 million views. You get 1 million views on your video. Now you're gonna, let's say a conservative, let's say 2% of those people check out your description. Okay, so we're going to times that by 0.02, right? 20,000. Okay, so 20,000 people have checked out your description. Now out of that 20,000, let's say 0.2%, 2% are going to click the link for the t-shirt. They're going to like the t-shirt, and they're going to do it. So we're going to times 0.02% of the people are actually going to go and buy the t-shirt. Okay, so that's 400 people are going to go buy the t-shirt. The t-shirt you're charging $10 for is $4,000. That's conservative. One video. Okay, now all these videos made $1 million. I mean, a million views, 24 million views. Imagine that one, 24 million views. How much you're going to make with that one? Okay, so it's very simple, very quick, easy. You got to find a good niche. You got to find videos you can use. You got to, and by the way, not just one video. You're not going to do one video and get 1 million views. You need to post 3 videos a day. 3 videos a day. Okay, and now out of that one video, there was a 10-minute video. That's 10 videos out of that 10-minute video, 10 1-minute shorts in that one video. Just chop it up into 30 seconds. If you do it 30 seconds, then it's 20 videos. Okay, so that's what you do. You break it up into shorts, and you put 3 a day out. And like, let's say every 1 out of 3 gets a lot of views. That's why you're putting so many. It's volume, and you can't do it for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. You got to keep doing it every day forever. Okay, and just keep. So, doesn't that sound like something that you could do? If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, I have a course. Click the link in the description. If you want to take a free trial for all the software and all the tools that I used in this video, there's also a link for a 14-day free trial for Builder.